Every village has a bell. Ours was only rung for emergencies, fire, death, or danger. The elders warned us. If the bell rings by itself after midnight, don't step outside. They said it isn't a warning, it's a count. One night, at 12:47 a.m., the bell rang once. Then again, each ring felt closer, heavier. Lights in the village began to go out, one house at a time. When the bell rang the 7th time, it stopped. Morning came. The bell was silent. One house never opened. That's when we understood. Sounds don't come from objects in our village. Something uses them.